Do you want to see an extra long video about a drink with two things in it? Well, watch this.
Alright, I'm going to do my own intro and you can pick which one you like better. For those of you who love our long videos about nothing, this is not for you. Click away, don't watch, avert your eyes. For the rest of you, we're making the rusty nail two ways.
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan and Ian and Derrick are going to make for you the Rusty Nail.
Classic drink.
Classic.
Equal parts Drambuie and blended Scotch. We had Cutty
Is that
Sark
it?
today. That's it. And it can be served two ways.
And we're going to serve one of those two.
Either neat or over the rocks.
What are we doing today?
We're doing it neat.
Because
right.
we don't like that fucking water.
Because we're pre-chilling the glass.
Yeah.
So that we can make sure the glass is nice and cold.
Yes.
So you're pre-chilling the glass so you can make sure the glass is chilled.
Because neat means no ice, as Derrick just learned. Derrick was today years old.
Today years old, I learned.
So you're chilling the glass so we don't use ice, but yet it'll be cold.
Exactly.
Well, not necessarily.
So that your hand doesn't warm the beverage
Yeah.
Fantastic.
as much.
Because it's not going to be that cold.
There's
Once
more
you add these
thermal
room
mass.
temperature things, it's probably going to...
What the fuck were we even doing here?
Okay, I need something to drink.
So our executive producers, Peter
I've never had a
Fastenau.
rusty nail.
No?
No.
This is Peter's first time. No, he's probably been a patron before. Dan's first time
Do you like the rusty nail,
with a
Jen?
rusty nail.
Jen likes the rusty nail.
So Drambuie.
And that's Drambuie and
You know what
Scotch?
Drambuie is?
I need to try this shit.
Drambuie is a honey
Here,
Scotch.
wait a minute. You got the... Oh, you do.
He's
No,
got it.
use that
Yep.
thing because there's probably going to be cork in there.
Yep, I will
Oh.
do that.
Yeah, we might have broke the
maybe not.
cork.
No, there's no cork in there.
Oh.
If there is,
It's not
we'll
gonna hurt
just
us
drink
if there
it.
is.
Nobody's gonna know.
Boom, rusty nail.
Dude, you can't even see it on camera.
Barely.
Shit. That. I'm going to hold it up.
Here. Boom. Look at that.
Look at that. Rusty nail on top of hibiscus.
Where'd
Yeah.
your cork go?
I put it over there.
The cork blew up.
All right. I've never had one of these.
Drink it.
Fuck.
All right.
Can't say that anymore.
Fuck.
But we won't be able to in about 2 seconds once you put that in your mouth.
Oh, because then you'll have had one.
Now he's had it.
No,
I
that's
see the
done.
link in there.
So you finished. You did it.
That's good.
Yeah, right.
So Drambuie's a
sweet.
honey Scotch.
Little,
I think my
Combine
dad
that
likes
with a
this.
real
I
Scotch.
think my dad likes Drambuie, so he's probably a fan.
Blended
is this,
Scotch. Drambuie.
Honey whiskey.
It's like honey
what's-
bourbon, but with.
taste that. What's
Scotch.
there's like an anise taste to it.
I'll buy that.
A little bit. Yep.
Yeah.
Black licorice.
It's been
Yeah,
sitting for a
yeah.
while.
So add some pesto to that thing. Boom. Sazerac, bitches. Woo! Can I get a little too excited?
I've never
I
had
think
one
you
of
gotta
these.
actually add
Yeah,
some
you know.
other stuff to a Sazerac too.
Sazerac had Drambuie.
No.
No.
It doesn't have any of these things. But
I thought it was just whiskey.
well,
and
no. But if
pesto.
you added pesto, you're on your way. It's whiskey, pesto,
Pesto and bitters.
pesto are
Pesto
bitters.
and bitters.
Oh, I'm
It
thinking
tastes a lot like.
I'm thinking Pernod.
It tastes a lot like
You have to have
black
absolute.
licorice.
A little bit, yeah.
It does taste like licorice.
A little bit. I don't know where that's coming from though.
Is it from this though? I'm telling you, I think
Oh,
it's
this
from
is a
this.
secret recipe of herbs, spices, and heather.
It's in there. Oh, it's got to be the
Heather
honey.
honey, yeah.
Yeah.
So it's
No,
probably
but
in there.
yeah,
Oh,
I
it's
do
like
get the
heather
honey. I do get the Scotch, and I do get black licorice.
Yeah.
We're not drinking this all tonight.
No,
That's not empty.
it's not empty because we haven't drank it yet.
That is not halfway empty.
Oh, I don't even
There's
like.
a lot in there.
I don't like.
That's
Scotch
gonna be
so
by
much.
tonight.
What I'm saying is there's a bit in there.
Man, I
Like
should have an
Jen,
entire.
like Jen just
Scotch.
said, and I just repeated.
I'm gonna have to have a whole Scotch week, season, month.
Oh, you could line
We
it up
should
with
do-
Shark Week. And then you could have
Scotch week.
Scotch week.
drunk Shark Week.
The problem is I don't have the top now. It doesn't do me any good. So now I'm gonna have to put like some. I have.
Or you
Oh,
can just record
you have the
it
top,
at
it's right
least
there.
during
no,
Shark
that
Week.
job's broken. But look, there's that one. Put that on there. Fuck yeah! Seeking, we're good.
But what
See-
did that go to?
Something else? No, these are just generic caps.
Look,
Oh.
they're pour spouts.
Oh.
Oh, is that what they're?
Yeah,
Oh, look at that.
I
Oh,
bought
yeah.
them for the store. I just never sold them, so I just kept them.
Oh.
So now if you can't get it off, you can.
Look at that.
Yeah. Now
How
you
come we
have-
don't use those?
I can always get it off.
Oh.
No problems.
They're pretty
No
cool,
problems
right?
there.
I have,
Yeah.
them on, I have them on a couple things. Every time a cork breaks, boom, those go on there.
Oh, I would use that if I could keep a bottle around long enough.
Yeah, I can because I have a lot of them.
It's good.
It's simple. It's easy
Yeah.
to make. It fits the season for some reason. There's
I don't know why.
fits the season for some reason.
The rusty nail.
When you, I did some
it sounds
research.
inappropriate.
It sounds like a
Like you want a
DVD or
rusty nail.
something.
Yeah, see?
Sounds like you can just.
You got the rusty nail?
Yeah, it sounds like
Yeah.
intercourse with
Oh, Sully got the rusty nail.
Yeah, it's like the clap. or-
menstruational. No, I was thinking menstruational intercourse.
Kid.
Well, what's a nail? A nail is very phallic. So if you're rusty nail, you're probably growing something gross on your dick.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you.
Yeah.
I thought the nail was clean, but
It's
you
like
put
a
it into
dirty
something
penis.
rusty, like
Why?
a girl.
I don't know where his head's at.
What?
Jen, can you explain his thought process?
Jen, I have
You know him well.
Period.
Yeah.
Menstruation
Maybe, but no.
and
Yeah, that would be like the
Rusty
bloody
trombone.
You just
nail.
want, you just want
That'd be
life.
different.
how is that different? It feels like it's exactly the same.
Well, red and rust are two different colors.
Whatever. It's a symbolism.
The road we're on right now, really bumpy. not sure any of this is appropriate.
Oh, because I
Pitter,
forgot.
pitter,
We
patter.
do that all the time. We're always super appropriate.
Yeah.
We literally just made a drink with 2 fucking ingredients. Every show's an average of 8 minutes. And what else do you want me to pad it with? Fucking sexual innuendos or straight up sexual things.
Well, that's what your audience wants to hear from you, I guess.
It's too much like an anise
nothing
taste
quite
to it.
like a Derrick sex talk.
Oh, it's all right.
I don't know. I've never been double laughed at the same time. I'm listening to him and you at the same time. I hear him say Derrick sex talk, and I thought that was funny. Right at the same time, you're like, it's all right, and I picture her with the crossbow, and I couldn't do it. I couldn't fucking drink.
You're just used to hearing her say, that's all right?
Yeah.
Is that, I don't
No, he said it.
That's when he gets his rusty nail out.
Oh, okay. That's why it's just all right. Okay.
It was-
coming back to you.
It was an inside joke we were all here for.
Were we?
Yeah,
Whenever he breaks
we
up
were
the-
all here.
Is it really inside?
It is right in here.
Okay.
In our bubble.
Okay.
Now my hands are sticky, thanks.
Oh,
It's all right. I don't know. Maybe with different scotch.
I thought it was good. I think it's good.
So what's the problem? What is your
like
problem?
it is to begin with, and then I don't know. It gets like too sweet for me. It's like
Sweet is fucking honey and scotch.
yeah.
I mean,
Baby.
it's a honey scotch.
No,
and this thing's 40%.
no. We got time. Give me a glass.
Okay.
Give me a
Yes,
lowball glass.
give me-
We're going
give me
straight
some-
up Highland Park, 15
All right,
years.
let's
Do you want? Why don't
Fuck.
you do that? You want to ice this one, or do you want to just?
No, because then you will destroy.
Yeah, let's put-
Yeah, but your cup's
Okay.
cold.
Okay, add ice. I don't fucking care. Where's my
No, it doesn't matter. We can do it warm.
1 and 1? Ready? 1 ounce of my good stuff. Oh, somebody asked earlier, what's your favorite scotch? I forgot about this.
You like the Highland Park?
Highland Park 15. And then
It's got floaties in it.
what?
Look at this. It's got floaties all over it.
Well, that's just I don't know what the fuck that is. Probably
That's the part you like.
it's probably the cork.
Oh,
The
you
county.
just fucked that up for me. Is this it?
Yes.
All right. That's it.
That okay.
That's all
there you
smoky.
go. That solves all of your problems.
All right.
I can see why you like that.
Did you try it?
It's a little smoky.
Yeah, he did.
Did you see where I put the cap? Oh wait, it's
It's
down
over
there.
here.
Yes, I
On the
did.
floor.
Everybody saw where you put it.
Oh, much better.
So the problem is you don't like Cutty Sark Prohibition Edition and
Yeah.
or Cutty Sark
Oh, yeah.
in general. So
But see, there's not that. I'm telling you, the anise flavors in that fucking thing.
it is because I don't get it out of this. I get
Yeah.
I get smokiness. A little bit.
Yeah, smoky works with that.
Yeah.
I'm not
It's
as big a
little
fan
sweet.
as the Highland Park straight because I don't like the smokiness. I like the
Yeah, I like the smokiness of Highland Park because it's not like Lefroy.
right. No, agreed. I mean, it's not bad. It's just it wouldn't be my pick for a favorite scotch.
Right,
'cause I don't
right.
like
Yeah,
that
you're
style.
not the mezcal guy.
But
I'm
it
the
goes
mezcal.
well in that drink. Really,
Yeah.
it goes really well in that drink.
So the mezcal thing is my thing, not your thing. I forgot about that. So that's why I would like. This is like a mezcal for scotch.
Yeah,
Kinda.
and it's not that I hate it. It just would be
You
my
just don't
first
prefer
choice.
it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
Right.
all.
So I know people are
Doesn't mean it's not
asking.
good.
I would go with the Highland
Oh,
Park.
it's really sweet though.
The 15
It's okay.
Drew gave you an avocado.
Thanks, Drew.
Nice.
avocados.
It's a ripe one.
It is.
The right one.
Those are the best ones because you can
Yeah,
eat
it's
them right that day.
blushing.
It is.
That's an avocado. It's not a bird.
Looks like a pear.
Pear? I don't know. Avocado.
Well, see the little leaf on
it's
top?
the leaves on the top.
Yeah.
Yeah, all right. It's probably a pear.
Unless it's a bird that just ran into a tree.
Yeah, it looks like a bird with a beak.
We did it. We made this episode longer than a minute.
All right, good job.
See, we
So-
got this.
And we got a tip. That was the first one of the night.
And,
Nice.
And we learned something. This one is better. He likes the straight up versus the blended.
It's a little sweet. Oh, I can like feel it. Whoosh.
Well, Drambuie is pretty sweet, so I mean,
Yeah,
you
this
gotta
is-
like Drambuie.
Drambuie-
Oh, I like the Talisker like we had at your place.
Yeah, that's good.
That was really good.
Time, yeah.
Yeah.
Sidebar, more videos. Maybe I'll even have this playlist on Scotch. Down below, Sazerac Bartender Starter Kit. You can use Fun 2021. Save yourself 15% until February 11th, 2021. I don't like it. Oh, you can get these. These are wide.
You have to have rock sauce.
Old-fashioned glasses
Yeah.
and Sazeracs. That's it. In case you had a drink. Ready?
No, well, let's get a second. Because it's not.
What do you guys do?
As soon as this starts, I'm dumping this because we just poured these things in the glass and that's it.
It's gonna make like a minute video.
Exactly.
What the fuck am I gonna do with all that time?
Okay, why don't you? We'll start. You can talk, and then eventually
we'll
I'll
dump it.
start.
Yeah.
The recipe. That'll draw right
Yeah.
up.
1 ounce Drambuie, 1 ounce blended Scotch.
Fuck.
Now we wait for the glass to chill. This is gold. Why are we recording? Start it up. We got this.
All right, ready?